Welcome back to MVP Auto Update Hub. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Honda Civic, a car that continues to set the standard for compact sedans. With bold styling, advanced tech, and an efficient powertrain, the new Civic is ready to impress. Let's explore everything you need to know. Walkaround of the Civic. Narrator. The 2025 Civic sports an aerodynamic design, featuring a redesigned front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a sculpted hood for a sportier look. Honda has refined the body lines, adding a more aggressive stance. The rear showcases LED taillights, a subtle spoiler, and a dual exhaust system for the sportier trims. Available in new color options and 18-inch alloy wheels, the Civic's design is both elegant and dynamic. Step inside, and you'll find a premium cabin with high-quality materials and a driver-focused design. The redesigned dashboard features a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster offers crisp graphics and customizable displays. With heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and an available Bose premium audio system, comfort is a priority. The Civic offers ample legroom and a spacious trunk, making it practical for daily drives and road trips. Narrator. Under the hood, the 2025 Civic offers a range of efficient yet powerful engines. The 2.0-liter four-cylinder produces 158 horsepower, while the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine delivers 180 horsepower with improved fuel economy. For those seeking performance, the Civic C brings 200 horsepower, while the Civic Type R pushes over 320 horsepower from its turbocharged 2.0-liter engine. A refined CVT transmission comes standard, with a 6-speed manual option available on sportier trims. Honda has enhanced fuel efficiency, with the base 2.0-liter engine delivering up to 40 mpg on the highway. The turbocharged variant provides a balance of power and efficiency, while hybrid models aim for over 50 mpg, making the 2025 Civic an excellent choice for fuel-conscious drivers. The 9-inch touchscreen features a fast and responsive interface, with wireless smartphone integration and Honda's new voice assistant. The 12-speaker Bose audio system enhances the in-car experience, while the available head-up display projects vital information onto the windshield. Honda also introduces over-the-air updates, ensuring the latest features without visiting a dealership. The 2025 Civic continues Honda's commitment to safety with Honda Sensing 3.0. This suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, blind spot monitoring, and the latest traffic jam assist. The Civic has earned top crash test ratings, making it one of the safest vehicles in its class. Various trims, price overlays. Narrator. Honda offers multiple trims, starting with the base LX, followed by the Sport, X, and Touring models. The performance-oriented C and Type R provide thrilling driving experiences. Pricing starts around $24,000, with fully loaded models reaching $45,000 for the Type R. Civic driving into the sunset. Narrator. The 2025 Honda Civic remains a top contender in the compact sedan segment. With sharp styling, modern tech, impressive efficiency, and legendary reliability, it continues to be a favorite among drivers. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you buy the new Civic? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car updates from MVP Auto Update Hub. See you in the next video.